Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Uncover the vibrant, unforgettable taste of authentic Jamaican curry chicken. This iconic dish brings together succulent pieces of chicken, simmered to perfection in a deeply aromatic golden sauce. It's a true celebration of Caribbean flavors, comforting and full of life, perfect for sharing with family and friends. This recipe offers a unique blend of warmth and spice, promising a satisfying meal every time you prepare it. Jamaican curry powder truly is the soul of this incredible dish, providing its distinct, earthy warmth. Beyond that, you'll need 2.5 to 3 pounds of bone-in chicken pieces, expertly cut into manageable serving sizes for even cooking. Don't forget fresh aromatics like scallions, a few sprigs of thyme, and a whole Scotch bonnet pepper for that authentic, fiery kick. These simple, fresh ingredients come together beautifully to create layers of exquisite flavor.
Yes.
Marinating the chicken is a crucial step that infuses deep, complex flavors and ensures every bite is incredibly tender. Start by thoroughly coating your chicken pieces with generous amounts of Jamaican curry powder, a touch of ground allspice, freshly minced garlic, and grated ginger. Gently massage these spices into the meat, ensuring full coverage. Let this magical mixture rest for at least 30 minutes, though overnight in the refrigerator truly yields the best results, deepening the flavors wonderfully. Begin the cooking by browning your marinated chicken pieces in a touch of hot oil, creating a beautiful golden crust that locks in all those delicious juices. Next, introduce sliced onions, chopped carrots, and hearty potato chunks to the pot, letting them soften slightly. Pour in enough coconut milk or water to just cover the ingredients, then bring it to a gentle simmer. Cook slowly, stirring occasionally, until the chicken is fork tender and the rich, golden sauce has thickened to perfection. Your incredible Jamaican curry chicken is now ready to be savored. It pairs absolutely wonderfully with a side of fluffy white rice, which perfectly soaks up that rich, aromatic sauce. For an even more authentic experience, consider serving it alongside traditional rice and peas, adding another layer of Caribbean goodness. Garnish your masterpiece with a sprinkle of fresh chopped scallions, perhaps a few cilantro leaves, and prepare to enjoy a truly comforting, flavorful homemade feast that will delight everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.